We have all categories from kids to adults.
How many kids you bring in Aruba?
We got 13 kids coming to Aruba. We brought all the medals with us, and we're planning to take them all back home to the U.S. I've known Master Clobber for many years, and last year we sat down with Clifford and Joshmar, and we decided, hey, let's do a Team USA versus Team Aruba, and we could put it together to grow Taekwondo here on the island, and we're planning on putting on a really good show tomorrow. We got fights coming up now. We have fights coming up in Orlando in November, and we'll be back here November 16th for Best of the Best. Yeah, absolutely. Last year we hosted a worldwide martial arts open in Orlando, Florida, and Team Aruba came 5 versus 5, Aruba versus US, and Team Aruba brought back the gold medal. They won that event, but this year we're trying to take that back to the United States. And also they came into November and December to a scrimmage that we held, and they came and they fought really hard. So I think tomorrow and Saturday is going to be a great competition, but of course we're trying to bring all of these medals back home.